Bruce Kincaid, and I had a disc replacement in between C6 and C7. Excruciating pain, numbness, tingling, burning from my back of my shoulder down, rotator cuff area, down back behind my tricep, in between the front of my forearm, and then just intense tingling down my hands and into my fingertips. Just nauseating, bending over. I mean, make you throw up. It would come and go for about 6 weeks, but it was horrible. And I tried everything. I went to primary care doctor a couple of times, went to acupuncture, went to chiropractor 5 or 6 times, a pain chiropractor 4 or 5 times. I probably spent $1,000 just maneuvering around trying to get some type of relief. It didn't work. Just woke up one day and it just started bothering me, and it just kind of progressively got worse. And tried to stretch, tried to do therapy, tried to do yoga, this, that, and the other, and nothing changed. The moment I opened my eyes, I felt 1,000,000 times better.
Really?
The moment I opened my eyes, like completely gone. I have no tingling, no burning sensation, numbness, pain, brand new man. Like magic, literally. Had it done last Wednesday, so we're, I don't know, not even a week out, 6 days. I was like moving around that night, just like, yeah, 100%. My daughters and wife were very happy. In a little better mood. Come in and get it looked at. I mean, it just, I would have come in sooner. I would have come in the second day it hurt if I would have known that there could have been like this instant of relief. I just wanted to wasted my time with all of those things. It was affecting my quality of life and my mood at home, and just kind of how I was interacting with people. And this is just, it's been a blessing. It really has. Just come in and get it looked at. What's the worst that's going to happen? You don't need surgery, right? And then there's some type of physical therapy or something that you can do that I didn't know about. But this has been like just a godsend. Come in, literally come in. Like I'm a completely different person. I don't even know how to explain it. I would recommend anyone on the planet to come see him. Anyone on the planet. I would literally stop wasting your time, stop watching me, and come in here and get this done. Seriously. Change your life.
Awesome.